We'll put her up. Ready?
You want me to hold Ritter's or?
I'll just put it here. She can stand up on her paws.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hershey.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, go for it.
You guys are taking your time this year.
She's just like gingerly snacking. This one's like mad woman. You're a mad woman, Ritter. He's got 3 slop on him.
Oh, Hershey just took down the rest.
Leave her alone.
Ritter, you might die if you try that.
Here's the plate. Oh, good girls.
Can we do this again tomorrow?
Hershey, you want to look up at Daddy?
Yeah, look up at Daddy or lick the meat off the plate. Let's see, which will it be?
Look up at Daddy.
Hershey, go. Hershey. Hershey.
Hershey.
I got her.
Table cleaner.
Okay, all done?
Good stuff? Happy birthday.
Ready to get down?
She's like, let's do it again.
There's more of those things on the grill. How come your burger looks better than mine?
Good girl. Hey, kiss. Hey, kiss. Hershey, mommy get a kiss? Hershey, mommy get a kiss?
Try again.
Huh?
Try again. She'll do it
Hershey,
now.
you want
No,
me? Sit.
give me the plate.
Hey, kiss. Hey, kiss. Do I get a kiss? Kiss. Do I get a kiss? Do I get a kiss?
Not happy.
Not happy. It's chocolate time. I'm gonna look at chops.
An itch? Hershey got an itch?